and this is one of the best ROM I have ever used. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will be reviewing Decendent OS, which is based on Android 12, and this is one of the best ROM I have ever used on my Redmi Note 8, and so far so good this ROM is. And this is based on OSP. Let me show you. So fingerprint scanner is really fast actually. So if I touch and it's open, there is no problem. And in the previous some custom ROMs, I have said that there was some kind of issue. It was automatically changing the rotation of the skin, like portrait to landscape. So that kind of issue I haven't seen on this ROM, and this ROM is smooth and the battery backup is fine. As you can see, let me show you, it's based on Android 12, so you are getting everything you want from Android 12. There is nothing new here, and there is not much features like you can get on some ROMs, but there are something. The UI has little changes. As you can see, the Wi-Fi icon, mobile data icon, you will get it on every option. If you go here on connected and device apps and everything, there are some little changes here and there, but this is purely based on OSP. So there are not much what it call features on this ROM. And if I tell you, you will get MIUI camera, which is working really good. As you can see, it's working really good. I have used it, and I have did some video recording and also editing on this ROM, and it's quite smooth, and there was no lag and anything I didn't find. It's working really fine actually. So this is actually one of the best ROM I have ever used, which has good battery backup, and there was no issue at all. But one thing is that the ROMs are really boring because there's no features. You can't really explore anything here. Everything is same as OSP, like Habuk OS, Arrow OS and everything else. Just little minor changes on setting app, and otherwise there is nothing you can find. So like previously when we getting the ROM like Redmi Note 8, Redmi Note 4, we used to get real many ROMs like one MIUI based on LG, based on other OS. So but for Redmi Note 8, I couldn't able to find those kind of ROM like one MIUI or something else. There is not many ROMs which actually offering any kind of customization. Just most of the ROMs actually based on OSP, and there is nothing else. So this is quite smooth ROM. There is nothing you can there is no fault you can find. Everything works fine, and everything is smooth, and there is nothing I can say about this ROM actually. So if you have used OSP ROM, there is and you like to use OSP ROM, I would say you can use this ROM. This is a very good ROM, and it's based on Android 12, and it has latest security patch. But about the gaming performance, I don't have any experience about gaming performance. I haven't tried any games. Hopefully it will run fine because it's purely stock, so there is nothing background process. And about display issue, like as I said, there were some kind of screen burning issue on Redmi Note 8 and other in some ROMs, and even in MIUI. If you use MIUI, there also you will get screen burning issue, but in this ROM you will not get that. It's because this ROM also support KKLs. So if I show you here, Xiaomi ports, if you go color calibration, you will find KKL support. So because of that, you will not get skin burning problem. And this is it, and that's it for today. There is nothing I can say about this ROM. It's purely stock ROM. So and everything is there, like camera is also there. You will get MIUI camera, so if you use MIUI camera you can use that, and it's quite decent one. It's take good photos and other things, but I really use this only. I use what it called Gcam version 8.1.0, and it's really good camera, which is works on Android 12 fine. And that's it for today. Hopefully this video will give you some information about this ROM, and if you want to use this ROM, the link will be description below. You can download it from there and can flash it, and flashing method is same as the old ROMs. I have covered many ROMs, so you can check any of them there. I have shown some how you can do flash the ROMs. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.